Well, Mayuresh, just talking about precious metals, are you getting a lot of questions from your clients now that maybe I should take some profits off equities and reallocate my assets? And what are you recommending to them if that's the case?
Afternoon, Ekta. I think we are getting questions in terms of how allocations should be made. And I absolutely concur with Jay on this aspect. I think the prices have moved up a tad bit too much for comfort, both gold and silver. And therefore, I think an alternate mechanism in terms of hedging yourself might actually be doing SIPs or taking positions in installments in gold Bs on the exchanges. However, I think from an equity perspective, I think our clients have been extremely optimistic. In fact, during the consolidation phase, when we did a certain element of sector rotation into our model portfolios as well, and were sitting on cash, we are selectively now advising clients to probably get into certain stocks and certain sectors, as I've discussed. And therefore, I think the client sentiment and mood remains extremely optimistic from an equity perspective, and specifically from a stock-specific equity perspective.
Okay, all right. Mayuresh, any view on the logistics space? Stocks such as Delhivery, Aegis Logistics?
In fact, I think the expectation largely is that as the pickup happens, both in terms of consumer durables and consumer discretionary, as the GST rationalization starts kicking in, there should be a significant amount of volume-led growth beginning from Q3, and that growth might actually sustain itself over the next few quarters. The second aspect is also the expectation largely that is coming through across markets. So I think it might not just get restricted to urban areas, but also semi-urban areas and rural areas as well, where there can be significant accelerated activity expected to take place. And therefore, I think as we look at our rating rankings, our cancelling mechanism, I think Delhivery probably looks a tad bit better placed in terms of positioning. And therefore, I think our own sense is that if all these triggers act as tailwinds, it might actually start reflecting in Delhivery's numbers, which actually might turn out to be better off over the next few quarters.